Hello everyone, my name is Suraj and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel IITN Teaches. Now, as you all know that data science and artificial intelligence is blooming like anything in today's world. Majority of you, irrespective of your background, whether you are coming from a mechanical engineering department or electronics or electrical or civil or say related fields, BBA or something, MBA, everyone wants to develop or build their career in artificial intelligence and machine learning, even though they don't want to, but they at least most of you want to know the ideas behind or the knowledge behind the data science and machine learning and or artificial intelligence. So there is a free course available for you all, and that course is from Harvard University. Yeah, you heard it right. The course is from Harvard University. It is available for free for you all. There is no charge. If you require a certificate, then you have to pay a certain fee. Okay. So I will be taking you all to the Harvard University website or EDX, where the course is available for free for you all. And what are the programs they are launching, and what you are going to learn from their program. So let's go to the website, and you can see on your screen, it will be projected to you, where everything I will be sharing with you all. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end, and if you like the content, do like and subscribe and share it with your friends who wants to learn data science or machine learning, artificial intelligence, or who want a platform where they can start their machine learning or artificial intelligence career. So let's get started. Okay, so you can see on your screen that we are at edx.org. The link I will be giving you all in the description. I will be also giving you on the link on the screen. It will be shown onto your screen. You can see, and by clicking on the link, you will be directed to this website edx. Okay. Now after edx, there is a course CS50, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python. Okay. Now it is a 7-week course, and there is a estimated time per week, like for 10 to 30 hours per week you can devote, and then you will be gaining an entire knowledge about artificial intelligence with Python, the artificial intelligence algorithm, along with their deployment or development with Python programming language you will be learning. Okay. You can progress at your own pace. This is just an estimate. The course will be available online now. As per your convenience, as per your timing schedule, you can go watch the videos and learn. Okay, so there is no time domain or time constraint for you. Fine. Now about this course, okay, this is not important. Now at a glance, if you, the course is available in English, okay, and if you require a professional certificate, you have to pay a certain fee. The fee, I don't know, is around I guess 7,000 or 8,000 in Indian currency. It is around $150 or something, or somewhat like this, 8,000 to 10,000, it varies. It is $150 or something, and in Indian currency it will be around 10,000 or 11,000. So what are you going to learn from this course? Now you can see that graph search algorithm, adversarial search, knowledge representation, logical inference, probability theory, Bayesian network, Markov's model, constraint satisfaction, machine learning, reinforcement learning, neural networks, and natural language processing. So if you see, the course is structured very well. I am from a machine learning and artificial intelligence background. Like I am doing my PhD in IIT KGP in the Department of Industrial and System Engineering. My PhD research topic is revolving around artificial intelligence and machine learning. So I can see that the structure is very good. They have made this structure very well, and keeping in mind the prerequisites that you are going to you should have, after enrolling for this course, you will be learning a hell lot of things, a good amount of things, and you can then be easy to explore more in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. So this is all about, and you can see the instructor here. You can go and read on to the website about the instructors as well. Now other than this, there are other courses as well, like like if you go to computer science courses, here that these are all the free courses that is available for you all, and there is no requirement of any fees or anything. You can browse the courses for free. Now the first course is introduction to computer science, you can see, and then there is web programming with Python and JavaScript. There is introduction to artificial intelligence with Python. This is the course I was showing you all recently, and now there is foundational principles and data science R basics. R is a programming language. You can learn data science with R. Many of the users or the field experts, they recommend R for data science. Now you can also use Python, so you can enroll for this course as well. This is also for free. Now introduction to game development is there, data science, machine learning is there, fundamentals of neuroscience is there, and architectural imagination. There are many courses available for you. These all courses are free. You can go on to the edX website and then to the Harvard University section, and then you can see the entire course for free. You can enroll to as many courses as you want, and you can then learn according to your I mean according to your time schedule or according to the availability of your time. There is no time constraint. You can learn these courses for free, as I'm consistently saying, because there are very few available good websites or sites where you can enroll for such courses for free. Many of these courses, if you go to Coursera or something, they charge you with a very good amount of money. So you will be learning from the Harvard University professors, and that too for free. So if you like the video, if you find the video helpful, like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you so much.